Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Peugeot 3008 on a 2011-2012 plate. As you can see yourself, we've got the main deadbolt working on the driver's side front, which is a low beam, and on the passenger side front it isn't working. I'm going to show you how to replace it. I'm going to turn the lights off first. Okay, that's the casing right there, so what you got to do, remove that first. Once you remove that, on the inside there is the plug. So what you do with the plug, you wiggle, pull the plug out. There we go, that's out. Now just remember how you take the bulb out. That's how you want to put it back in as well. So I'm going to take the bulb out now. It's a bit of a tight spot. So the pin locator and the 8/7 is at the top here. So when you put it back in, make sure it goes back the way you take it out. So I'm just going to put this to the side. Get the new bulb. You can find the bulb in the link in the description as well. So if you did want one, you can click on the link and then get one. And if you did find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also there's a special thanks button as well. So I've got the new bulb. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slot it in. So make sure it goes the way I take it out. That's it. That's in there now. So I didn't plug it in. Now this plugging is going to be a bit of a tricky one. So make sure we line it up. That's it, it's plugged in. Put the cover back on and we're just going to check the lights. Here we go, that's all working. This is working and that one there is working as well. Just remember, lights up please. Just remember how you take the bulb out, that's how you put it back in. If you put it in wrong, what you'll have is a beam image will be incorrect. You'll be blinding people in front of you. So just make sure you put it in right. And then like I said, wiggle, take the plug out, and then wedge your fingers in, take the bulb out. It is a H7 bulb. If there's anything else you need to know on this Peugeot 3008, do let us know. We'll try helping you out. And there is a playlist button there's a playlist for Peugeots as well. Do check that out. Don't forget to like, share, and bye. Goodbye.